Dear friends, this is Srinivasan who is having more than 30 years experience in the construction industry trying to give you a small presentation on the project management. Project management, what it is? It is a basic management is the executives basically implies dealing with a task well to finish it inside the spending plan on schedule and with a satisfactory quality. Project management process summary. First, you have to define the project, which consists of need, problem, or opportunity, define project objectives, identify success criteria, list assumption, risk, and obstacles, define project scope and work breakdown structure. Then we are coming to a development detail plan. Identify project objectives, estimate activity duration, determine resources requirement, construct and analyze project network, prepare project schedule. Now we are going to the launch plan. Recruit and organize the project team, establish the team operating rules, level project resources, assign work. Now we are going further proceeding to the monitor and control progresses. Establish progress reporting system, change control process, define problem escalation process, monitor progresses versus plan, revise project plan. Now we are coming to the close down of the project. Obtain client acceptances, install project deliverable, complete project documentation, complete post implementation audit, issue a final project report. Planning. Planning is what? It is based on what will be done, how it will be done, where and by whom and when. This is the planning major objective. For viable checking and control of complex venture. Scheduling. Scheduling again, describing what will be done and who will be working on it. Relative timings of tasks and time frames. A conscious description of the plan. Arranging and scheduling happens after you have concluded how to accomplish the work. The principal thought isn't generally the best thought. Expects control to work up the arrangement. The demonstration of admonishment valuables, be that as it may be, need to screen and track. Exactly that point, it is a calendar powerful administration instrument which is known. The work breakdown structure, which is generally normally known as WBS, an alternative instrument for complex activities, an initial pace making the calendar, helpful for characterizing the scope of the work. After concluding how to accomplish the works, compromises of objective articulation for a venture, partitioning objective into a small minor segments. WBS. Upper a few levels, require just broad information, try not to go too much in depth. The more profound you go, the more information you need. Base level assignments, sufficiently straightforward to gauge the spans, can allot teams. Each errand has a characteristic grouping comparative with a different under. Order of task execution scheduling. System diagrams, basic path method which is known as a critical path method, program evaluation and review technique which is known as a PERT, like a summed up CPM. Expect that a movement team can't be decisively decided, like no doubt, hopeful, cynical assessment. Process a normal length and action as expected by the team. Critical path method, which is known as a CPM. Recognize those chains of exercises that control how long the undertaking will take or unless the project will take. Two varieties consist of critical path method. One is known as action and arrow. This is the exercise or the bolts or lines. Then another one is action on node, which is otherwise called as a precedence diagram. Exercise are hubs associated together by line. Some CPM terms float. The amount of a time an activity can be delayed without delaying the project. Critical is equal to activities with no float. These activities cannot be delayed without extending the project duration. Slippages, difference between the actual and the scheduled progress known as creating a computerized schedule. You can create a CPM or a WBS using the Primavera or MS project. Utilization CPM for computing venture length. Offer Gantt and precedence Cs. Gantt can be the default. Exercise can be seen in different structure, action and asset schedules, spreadsheets, etc. Valuable for refreshing and following, arranging, shifting, asset leveling. Scheduling, the way towards changing over a generally blueprint plan for an undertaking into time sensitive realistic introduction, utilizing data and accessible assets and time required. Scheduling, planning and it is a purely a planning, is an administrative devices. It very well may utilize to fulfill various destinations, coordinations, examination and gauging, announcing against a gauge. Planning empowers you to incorporate the exercise of the different undertaking members, show interface obligation, especially concerning timing, source, record, import, pledges of undertaking by the supporters of the various teams. Scheduling. Scheduling also enables you to identify the key activity sequences, determining the length of the project. Display departmental work loading and hence facilitate departmental planning. Provide the basis for more detailed scheduling, planning and power, examination and estimating. You can show needs for in securing gear, material, work and administration. Dissect complex work regions with many interrelated exercises through system investigation. Encourage long range arranging and future asset allotment. Measure progresses. Measure executions. Keep up power after some time and cost of the task. Produce an income figure. Three basic steps of the project schedule consist of define the work, schedule the activities, allocate resources. Gantt or simple bar chart. It is explained by time versus activities. Graphical representation shows horizontal bars against a time scale. At summary or a detailed level. Characteristic of a good schedule. It consists of decent timetable, will be coherent, straightforward and simple to work with, simple to screen, adaptable, simple to modify, explicit and convenient. It will likewise foresees issues, advance viable correspondences, a work breakdown structure, a rundown errands got from each work packages, staffing and assets required are accessible for each errand. Before you begin setting up a genuine point by point plan, you should identify. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me to give the furthermore good videos. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Ask Srini Telegram group. The link has been given below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and share. Thank you once again.